Hi, this is Jennifer coming to you from the JennScents Aromaversity studio, and I want to talk to you about cedarwood, Atlas cedar. It is a beautiful wood aromatherapy scent, and if you have it, I want you to grab it and smell it. If not, here you go. It's so nice. It's very grounding. It is known to give emotional and mental strength. So when you have been carrying some heavy burdens and you really just need to stay grounded and feel supported and have mental strength and emotional strength, so you can think clear, you can focus, you can concentrate, you can handle the things that you need to handle in a day, you want to grab your cedar essential oil. Put it in a diffuser, put it in your nasal atomizer, add it to a cup of Epsom salt or sea salt and use it as a smelling salt. That is a great way to use it as a non-electric diffuser. But this is a scent that you definitely want to keep on hand. Hope you guys enjoy, and we will see you next time.